Good morning, dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how I take care my Bougainvillea plants. I have my secret to make my Bougainvillea blooms more. First, I change the soil every year, prune, fertilize every 5 or 6 weeks, and I don't put too much water. I just put water when the soil is dry. It needs good drainage. I like to give the tree a ball shape, and I do it twice a year. I fertilize the plant every 5 weeks for more blooming. I have my secret recipes that I'm going to show you. Bougainvillea needs full sun to bloom better. Bougainvillea blooms all year long. You can have your garden full of flowers with different vibrant colors. Your garden will look beautiful. When I change the soil every year, I take advantage to prune the roots too. Pruning and fertilizing is the key to have a very healthy plant. Bougainvillea is the easiest plant to take care. This plant grows in zone 10 and 11. I left the leaf from pruning on the top of the pot, that way it can be as a fertilizer too. Here my secret recipe for more blooming on my bougainvilleas. Eggs have a lot of nutrients and minerals. Is good for the plant and develop a strong plant with a lot of flowers. Garlic have a lot of nutrients and also protect the plant from fungal disease. The same is cinnamon. Because this is a big pot, I use 3 eggs in this plant. When it's a small pot, you can use 1 or 2 eggs. Eggshells have a lot of calcium and other minerals that is great for the plant. Eggshell is great for the plant and for blooming too. I also like to put rice water every 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, dear friends. See you next time for more.